Assalamu alaikum. Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I am here to help you for stay at home with studying. So stay home, stay safe. Now I am going to start a class for class 7 students. Subject Science, chapter 13, and the name of the chapter is Environment and Pollution. In this chapter, we will learn the definition of pollution, pollutants, environmental pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution, and the causes, sources, and effects of this pollution. Finally, the prevention of pollution and conservation of environment. In this chapter, mainly basic part will be discussed, and at the end of this chapter I attached some slides. I think if you read it clearly you will understand the whole chapter. So let's start. What is pollution? Pollution can be defined as influence of any substance causing harmful effects and uneasiness to the organisms. So we can say any substance that is harmful for anything is called pollution. Example: soil pollution, air pollution, water pollution, etc. In this case, the substance is used which is called pollutants. So some harmful elements that are polluting our environment directly or indirectly are called pollutants. Example: polyethylene, plastic, etc. For knowing very well the difference between pollution and pollutants, we can consider an example. Suppose there are two rooms. In one room 20 students are present, in the another room 5 students are present. In this room carbon dioxide will be produced more because of 20 students are present in this room. There are more students comparably this one. That's why we know the substance that are harmful for anything is called pollutants. So we can say carbon dioxide is pollutants and the phenomena is called pollution. And in this case carbon dioxide is excess, that's why it is called air pollution. Now what is environmental pollution? Any undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological of any components of the environment like air, water, soil, which can cause harmful effects on various forms of life is called environmental pollution. We know there are two types of change. One is physical and another is chemical. And the other name of chemical change is called biological change. So this is called environmental pollution. Now we will see how environment is polluted. So there are various reasons for polluting environment. Like firstly, we can consider climate change. We know at moment climate is changing very rapidly. So it is the major reason for environmental pollution. Another is industrial chemicals, gas and waste. We know in our country industrialization is increasing day by day. That's why environment is polluted. The another reason is domestic chemicals and waste, water and food pollution, deforestation and soil erosion. In our country deforestation is increasing day by day. So due to the deforestation the lacking of oxygen is rapidly increasing. That's why environment is polluted. The final reason is poor sanitation and drainage. This is the causes and sources how environment is polluted. Then what is soil pollution? The presence of toxic chemical in soil that is risk to human health and the ecosystem is called soil pollution. So we know any substance that is harmful for anything is called pollution. So the substance that are harmful for soil is called soil pollution. This is how formed and the sources of soil pollution. First thing, erosion, mining, plastic, household waste, and agriculture. Because in agriculture we use different type of pesticides and fertilization, different types of fertilizer. That's why soil pollution is increasing. Then air pollution. Air pollution is the contamination of air due to the presence of a substance like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, which has a poisonous effect. This is how air is polluted and the sources of air pollution. Acid rain. We know if any substance as like carbon, nitrogen, or sulfur is present in air, then acid rain will be produced. That's why it is the major cause for air pollution. Another is dust and dirt emission from vehicles. In Bangladesh, we know vehicles are increasing day by day. So that's why the emission from vehicles is increasing and our air is polluted rapidly. Finally, combustion of fossil fuels. This is the causes, sources for air pollution. Then water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities. In our daily life, basically I can say human is the major reason for inventing water pollution, because after using any materials in our daily life, we just thrown it to the water. Then this type of substance mixed with water and then it will be polluted. This is the reasons and causes of water pollution. So industrial waste, pesticides, sewage and wastewater, burning of fossil fuels. So my dear students, this is the causes, sources and the